Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to create a digital planner using Canva. So first thing you will do is open Canva, which is a popular online graphic design tool that allows users to create a various type of visual content, including social media, graphics, presentations, posters, whatever you want, and much more. It offers a user-friendly interface in a wide range of pre-designed templates that you can choose and start customizing. So first thing you will do is open and sign up for an account. Once you are here, you can sign up for an account. You can try Canva for free, or you can try Canva Pro to access to more pro elements and pro templates. And once you are done opening an account, then you can now choose a design type. And today we are here for a digital planner, so you can go with planner here, and you can choose here planners, and you will find, like you see here, a lot of planners that you can choose and start customizing. So let's choose one from those and just start. This one is a pro, so you have to pay for this one, but let's see if there is one like these but not pro. So we have this one and it's for free, and we can tap on it and make it look more cool. Think so. So let's go. First thing, click on customize this template. First thing, let me see the one with, we can make it more cool than those if we want to, without any pro things. All you need to do is, we will go to Pinterest now and choose wallpapers, and we can start from wallpapers from here, and let's choose a wallpaper that will give us vibe or something. I know, something that will change the vibe of this. First thing we will do is, I will delete this one and this one. Then we have these on elements. Let's see here. Now all we need to do, we can change also the background of this. Can go with white color, and we will add the colors, but not this, just for the moment. So we will add the background. Now we will go to here and go back here, and let's try to download a cool wallpaper. And at the end, I will choose a baby pink color and start customizing. So I think I will go with this one or this one, and this one is more dark than this one, so I think I will go with this one and go here. And now I will delete this, and because I will change all these, and now for the moment I will keep those and go to uploads and click on upload files and tap on the picture. And now all you need to do is, you can't like set this one as a background. You have to wait for a second. I think like this. And now we will go with I will delete daily. If you will, if you want, you can make it like like make it specific. And wait, I know, I'll just try and don't judge. And let's go with this one on gold color. No. Okay, then we will change the plan. And we will go with something like this. Oh God. And now click on the text, and I will change the text style. All you need to do is tap on it, tap on here, and you can change the text style to another text style if you want to, and make it more clear if you want to from here, but I won't. So you can change from here, like you see. You can add any text style you want, and there is a lot here that Canva allows you to choose from, and for free. So let's choose a simple one like this. And also you have effects if you want to on your planner. And I will change this one's color, I think, to black color. I don't know if I should, or just leave it like this. And I think I will make this more, you can tap the color name if you want to, and choose from here, so like this. So this is it, guys. For example, you can go to the second page and do the same again here. So you can click here, click on upload, and you can delete So here you go, guys. You can keep customizing till you are satisfied. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.